No.
What?
100. Uh-oh. 500, I got it! Oh, yeah! We're running out of time, though. Potion of Vitality. Oh, yeah. I don't feel relaxed right now. So the high pitch means it doesn't send that. Oh my gosh. You better not jump high. I have to go kill this stupid rock. Oh, it disappeared. They despawn? I didn't know that. Running out of time! Yeah, flamethrower action time. 300. Spend all my money. Alright. I'm feeling pretty good about this setup. Getting killed just so I could get some armor? That was not a good deal. He should have gave me like 500 just for my hurt feelings. Okay, this boss, watch how easy this guy is. You stand right here. Jump and shoot. Stand on the third block from him and boom. If you didn't know that little secret though, you would have like probably died a couple times. Like I did in the early days of the arcade. Gee willikers. I think I'm doing pretty good for armor. Floating islands, I like that. I want that 50 coins, I'm greedy! Gosh. Alright, I'm going back for armor, jeez. Need my armor. Dun, 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 dun. Keep it even. There we go. 20 and 10. This game kind of, remember that game Rygar for the NES for all those old people? Has the Rygar vibes. Actually, I feel like going back and oh, we have a Nintendo Online. We should play that. I'm gonna play Rygar after this. Rygar. I remember seeing Rygar in the arcade after playing it on the NES. And I was so disappointed that it's just like, it's not as good as the Nintendo version. It's not an adventure, it's just to walk straight and shoot. There's no like JRPG elements or whatever. The game was ahead of its time before its time. But, is that a thing? Rygar. It probably sucks now. It'd probably be so painful to go back and play Rygar. Alright, good enough, whatever. Oh gosh. Why did I do that? Mine? Over here, man. I know you got my oh, come on. I know you got my 500 coins. Nod my head. Golden armor, first time. Oh! I didn't think I was gonna make it. Ooh, at the time that just right, I needed that $500 coin. There's 1,000. You usually get 1,000 from those ninjas. Uh-oh. A cow. Is that points? I wish they would tell you what it does, so That guy's useless over there. He just tells me to like look for hidden things. 500. Worth it. Ow! Sticky face. Only when we're recording videos, right? Oh yeah. I'll come back to those guys after. I missed it a little bit there. Oh! You got me. Still got 5. Sucks how it goes back to gray. It should be like dark purple or something. I'm just gonna keep what I got. Black Tiger is a good game. Ah! Keep your gratitude, man. Oh, I can't reach that one. Where did that big chunk of meat do, whatever that was? No! I knew it was that. No! I only have 8 lives left. Now it's janky again. I don't care. Why does it do that? Thank you, Timu.
Timu.
I'm just so glad that for 20 bucks, you get 60 frames per second most of the time. I wonder if it's just overheating or something. Alright, let's get the pretty stuff. How many can we get in 15 seconds? Come on! I want to spend all my money! I guess I could have bought... I did buy the golden armor.